Welcome to Nice, France, home to the IRONMAN World Championship. As athletes prepare for their ultimate test of endurance, let's explore what this stunning city has to offer.
First up, dining. Nice has a vibrant culinary scene. For best local cuisine, head to Old Town, where charming bistros will serve you traditional dishes like soca, salade niçoise, stuffed vegetables called farci, or daube niçoise, a traditional beef stew. Need a caffeine boost to help with jet lag or just want to wake up? The cafe culture here is fantastic. Enjoy your morning espresso at a cozy cafe along the Promenade des Anglais and soak in views of the Mediterranean Sea. Looking to unwind? Take a stroll through the colorful market in Coursalia. You'll find local produce, flowers, and handicrafts. And of course, no visit to Nice is complete without taking a moment to sit on the Chaise Bleue and walk on the Promenade des Anglais. Take the time early in the week to enjoy the fresh sea air and panoramic view of the azure waters. Whether you're fueling up, unwinding, or exploring local culture, Nice offers something to everyone, athletes and families included. Enjoy your time here and best of luck to all athletes competing in the IROMAN World Championship.